Myself, Pradhyapak Changdev Mane. Today we discuss about the different breeding system of the animals. In this session, we have to study the different breeding system operated in the animals for developing their characters and economic purpose. What is meant by breeding? The breeding, it is defined as the manipulation of genetic material in the accordance of requirement of the terms dictated by the demand. The most important breeding system, that is inbreeding and outbreeding. In inbreeding, what is meant by inbreeding? It is the mating of closely related individual, and outbreeding, it is the mating of unrelated individual. In the inbreeding, you have to discuss regarding the different methods. Actual definition of the inbreeding, it is the mating of more closely or distantly related individual than average of the population. Closely related individuals such as selfing, full brother sister mating, mother son mating, father daughter mating, while distantly related individual cousin mating. The advantages of inbreeding: first advantage, that is increase the homozygosity and decrease the heterozygosity. Number second, it helps in producing seed stocks to be used for crossbreeding. Third advantages, it helps in development of families and inbreed lines. Fourth one, it is the only known method of increasing prepotency. What is meant by prepotency? It is the ability to transmit character to the offspring to marked degree. Then disadvantages of inbreeding: first disadvantage, it decrease the growth rate, body size, body weight. Second one, it reduces the reproductive efficiency and general vigor. Third one, it delays the puberty in both sexes. Last one, it increase in the early embryonic death rate. This is all about the inbreeding. The inbreeding, there are two important methods, that is close breeding and line breeding. What is meant by close breeding? The close breeding, it is defined as the mating of very closely related animals than the average in the population. The example of close breeding: the mating of full brother and full sisters, sires to his daughter, dam to her sons. This type of mating should be used only when both parents are outstanding individuals. The advantages of close breeding: the first advantages, that is it helps in detection and elimination of harmful or undesirable recessive genes. Second one, it develops uniform progeny. Third one, it helps for testing of breeding bull to declare him free from undesirable or deleterious recessive genes and brand him as a prune bull. Then line breeding. What is meant by line breeding? It is the mating of animals of wider degree of relationship than those selected for close breeding. It is the mating of two pure lines with specific purpose. Actual definition: it is the mating of distantly related animals. It involves mating of grandsire and granddaughter, grandsire sons. Then advantages of line breeding: first one, it increases the uniformity of characters. Second one, it slowly increase the homozygosity and hence less risky. Third one, it slowly develops undesirable characters if present in the population. Disadvantage of the line breeding: it gives less benefit for new generation, for few generation, because animals are selected on the basis of pedigree record, giving no importance to real individual merits. The second most important method of breeding, that is outbreeding. It is the system of mating of individuals who have no ancestors in common in the first 4 to 6 generation in their pedigree. In other words, it is the mating of unrelated individual within a breed. This kind of breeding system brings faster improvement in the breed or herd. Faster growth rate is achieved through outbreeding. The type of outbreeding. The first one, that is outcrossing, crossbreeding, species hybridization, and last one, grading up. These are the methods of outbreeding. The first method, that is outcrossing. The outcrossing means mating of unrelated but purebred animals within the same breed. This is the proper definition of the outcrossing. The example of outcrossing, the cross between Gir cow and Gir bull. It involves mating of animals which do not have common ancestor in the first four generation in their pedigree, and the offspring of such mating is known as outcross. The actual advantages of the outcrossing. The first advantages, this method is highly effective for characters that are largely under the control of with additive effects. That is example of the characters by using the outcrossing method to develop the economic form, that is milk production, growth rate, staple length and flesh. These are the examples. Next one, it is an effective method for genetic improvement of the cattle within the breeds. Next one, crossbreeding. Crossbreeding, it is the mating of animals of different breeds. The crossing between HF and Gir. The crossbreeding by crossbreeding produce hybrid vigor or heterosis. A combined effect of epistatis, dominance, additive gene actions cause hybrid figure. Next one, crossbreed are mainly used for production and overall improvement in the efficiency of production traits. It is generally used for the production of new breeds. In this method, there are several methods. First one, rotational crossing. In this cross-crossing, when two breeds are crossed alternatively, this method is known as criss-crossing. Then two breed crossing, mating of two breeds, two cross breeds, that is HF, Devni. Then three breed cross. The Philothrene is developed by three breed cross. Next method, that is backcrossing. Backcrossing is the mating of crossed animals back to one of the purebred parents races which are used to produce it. It is commonly used in genetic studies, not widely. Then advantages of crossbreeding. First advantages, it is a valuable as a means of introducing desirable characters into a breed in which they have not existed formerly. Second one, it is useful in producing new breeds. It increases the hybrid vigor, that is growth vigor, growth, great fertility and production in the progeny. Fourth one, it helps to produce animal with better adaptability in adverse environmental condition. Then disadvantages of the crossbreeding. First one, it requires maintenance of the two or more pure breeds. Second one, it may sometimes produce progeny with undesirable traits. Next one, grading up. What is meant by grading up? Grading up, it is defined as a mating of purebred sire with non-descriptive females and also with offspring generation after generation till the progenies reach nearly 98 to 99% of the original parent. The advantages of the grading up, it is the best method for improving the local non-descriptive animals within reasonable time and expenditure. It helps to develop purebred after few generations. Next one, species hybridization. It is means mating of animal of two different species. It is extreme form of outcrossing. The example, Jack cross with mare. The advantages of species hybridization, it produces progeny having more vigor, disease resistance, hardy than parent species. Second one, it produces progeny which show better adaptability in adverse environmental condition. The disadvantages of the species hybridization. First one, progeny is usually sterile. This is all about the breeding system. Thank you.